Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to make this stewed pork. This is a special recipe. This was my grandma's favorite dish, and she passed away recently, so I'm making this in memory for her. The first thing you want to do is slice your Mexican squash. Now you can use regular squash if you want, if you can't find Mexican squash, but you should be able to find it easily enough. If you see it, it's lighter green than regular squash. And you want to take your pork chops and give it a nice little slice. Now you could use pork shoulder or sirloin roast if you want to. I just went with pork chops because it was on sale. It was a pretty good price, and they're pretty good size pork chops, and they look pretty good, so decided to use it. Just slice them like so, bite-sized pieces. Of course, a nice sharp knife is always better, like I'm using here. And always be careful not to cut yourself, because that is no fun. I'm using about 3 pork chops, about a pound, maybe 2 pounds. Like I said, it's a pretty good cut of meat. And you want to take about a tablespoon of bacon grease. You should always save your bacon grease. And you're going to add in the pork. You want to let it fry in the bacon grease, of course. Add some salt and pepper. And what you want to do is cook it till it's all evenly cooked, nice and seared. Shouldn't take too long. Put a lid on it to let it steam, so it cooks on top as well, more evenly that way. It won't be perfect though. You still gotta stir it every now and then. Just make sure it's mostly seared. It's kind of hard to get it perfect with bite-sized pieces like this. Add in the squash, the corn. Now I'm just using a bag of frozen corn, and 2 cans of diced tomatoes with green chilies. And the spices: turmeric, cumin, cayenne pepper, paprika, and garlic powder. And just stir it till it's well combined, and put a lid on it and let it simmer. The steam again will help it cook evenly, and all the water will come from the tomatoes releasing the water. And like I said, this is very special meal because my grandma passed away recently, so this video is in memory to her, and I do hope she is proud of this video because I put a lot of work into it. As you see here, it's almost done, and I just want to let it simmer for a few more minutes just to help thicken up the sauce. It won't be super thick though, it's more like a nice thin stew. That's so very good. I think you'll enjoy this meal. And after it simmers for a few minutes, you get to serve. Now I'm serving with pinto beans and a nice warm tortilla. Now the warm tortilla is just for sopping up all the sauce. There you go. And always cook your tortilla on the skillet, not in the oven or in the microwave, because that is no baño. Now I do hope you enjoy the video, and I hope you enjoy the food. Thank you for watching.